Hello, I'm Dr. V and welcome to my Ocean ABC, where today I'll be talking about marine animals starting with the letter X. First up, we have the Xiphosaurae, which is a group of ancient marine creatures, including the horseshoe crab. These animals have been around for over 300 million years, which means they're older than some of the oldest dinosaurs. Now, they get their name because they've got this horseshoe shape. Second up, we have the Xiphias, which is a group of animals known as the swordfish. Now, these animals have long appendages coming out of their face, which they use as like a sword, or rather they use to injure their prey and then they can gobble them up. Thirdly, we have the X-ray tetra, which is a small little fish you may have seen in aquariums before. Now, the reason they're called the X-ray tetra is because you can see through their flesh and see their organs. How bizarre is that? And finally, we have the Xinyu ray, which is a ray that lives on the bottom of the floor of the water, which have these spotty little bits on their back, which look like pebbles. And this is to help them camouflage with their aquatic environment. That is my 4 animals today that start with the letter X. But as usual, I like to finish with a question. And the question today comes from email. And the question is, what is an albino animal like? Well, that's a good question. Most albino animals are like any other animal. It's just that they look a little different and they're lacking the color pigmentation that most animals have. So for example, the most famous is Migaloo the white whale, which is a humpback whale. And unlike other humpback whales, which look very dark, this whale is completely white. In fact, he was first spotted off Australian waters in 1991 and is now swims along Australia and New Zealand waters. How cool is that? Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please join me on another Ocean ABC and remember to always keep learning.